Hey everybody, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. I've got a DIY type of video for you today. I'm going to show you how I create my sticker storage. The things you'll be needing today are a punch board, and I bought this We Are Memory Keepers punch board from Michaels. You don't necessarily need a punch board, but something that you can create tabs out of. And you'll need some cardstock. This I got for $5 in Michaels in Canada. And then just some washi tape. And you'll also need this. This is a photo box from Michaels. Show you here. And this is just from their, I just got it for $2.50. So it's just a photo box. All right, so let's get started and I'll show you how I create my sticker storage. So the first thing I do is actually measure out the folder with my cardstock and where I'm going to cut so that it fits within the photo box. So I use my Fiskars blade to cut a straight line. And then I will take my tab punch and use this little thing here to cut the corner on the side and choose a small size tab. And then using the blade, cutting the excess off and then folding my folder. Very easy. And now I'm going to create my second folder of my accordion. Again, cutting with my Fiskars blade here. And then adjusting where I'm actually punching the tab so that it is slightly to the left or to the right of the first tab I made, and then cutting off the excess with the blade there. And there you see that I've created tabs there. Just adjusting the fold so that they all line up where they should. And now I'm going to go ahead and use washi tape to connect the two folders together. So measure out the washi tape and then place it along the edge there and fold it over. And do the same on the other side. And there you'll see that I've created an accordion. So each tab will be used to notate a different type of sticker. I'm not going to organize it by brand like I had previously. I'm going to organize it by type. So it could be something like work boxes or, you know, functional arrows or dots or squares, little decos. I haven't decided how I'm going to completely organize it yet, but we'll see how much I've got and then go from there. And then in the back here, I've got all of my Mambi sticker books. But that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions about how I created this, please leave them in the comments below. I will also leave a link to where you can purchase all the items that I used today. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Sorry. Thank you guys so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.